How much mortgage can a dentist get in the UK? I remember speaking to a young associate dentist fresh out of university who was excited about finally getting onto the property ladder. She had worked tirelessly through dental school, built up her experience in an NHS practice, and now she wanted to buy her first home. But the question she asked me wasn't about interest rates or mortgage types. It was, how much can I actually borrow as a dentist? The great thing about being a dentist is that lenders see you as a low risk borrower. Your earning potential is high and your job security is strong. That's a huge plus when applying for a mortgage. But the amount you can borrow isn't just about how much you make, it's also about how you earn. I've seen newly qualified dentists earning £35,000 struggle to get a mortgage they expected, whilst experienced associates making £100,000 plus have to jump through hoops because their class is self employed. Dentistry is unique, and so is getting a mortgage as a dentist. One of the biggest mistakes I see dentists make is assuming that high income automatically means a high mortgage approval. The reality, if you don't plan ahead, you could find yourself in a situation where you're limited in how much you can borrow because lenders don't understand your self employed income structure. You get rejected or offered a lower mortgage due to a lack of financial preparation. You overestimate your borrowing power and fall in love with a home that's out of reach. I've seen this happen to dentists who thought they could buy their dream home, only to realize that the bank wouldn't lend as much as they hoped. That's why knowing how lenders assess your income is crucial. Here's what actually matters when lenders calculate your mortgage amount: income type and employment structure. NHS employed dentists have a straightforward process with payslips as proof of income. Self-employed or associate dentists need at least 2 years of tax returns or business accounts, though some lenders may just accept 1 year. Income multiples, how lenders calculate your maximum borrowing. Most lenders offer 4 to 5.5 times your annual income. So a dentist earning £40,000 per annum could borrow between £160,000 to £220,000. A dentist earning £100,000 could borrow between £400,000 to £550,000. Specialist lenders sometimes offer even higher income multiples for professionals like dentists. Please note the above calculations do not take into consideration any credit commitments in the background, any childcare costs, and your credit history. This is just an approximate, and every lender will assess your income in different ways, and every lender will provide you a different loan amount. Credit score and debt levels. Even with a six-figure income, a poor credit score or high personal debt can limit how much you can borrow. Deposit size. The bigger your deposit, the better your mortgage options. Most dentists can access 90 to 95% loan to value mortgages, meaning a 5 or 10% deposit is enough. Choosing the right lender. Not all lenders understand how dentists earn. Some only consider base salary, ignoring additional income like private work or NHS bonuses. This is where using the right mortgage lender can make a huge difference. Final thoughts. Plan ahead and know your numbers. The biggest takeaway, don't assume. Even as a dentist, you need to plan, prepare your finances, and work with the right lender to maximize your borrowing potential. If there's one thing that I've learned with helping dentists get mortgages, it is the earlier you understand what's possible, the easier the journey becomes. So before you start house hunting, make sure you know exactly how much you can borrow. It will save you time, stress, and disappointment later.